we have this line that is called thermal XTR. So what is thermal XTR? It is a product that is made of 87% of natural bamboo fiber and 13% of phenolic resin. So you may ask, what is phenolic resin? Well, phenolic resin is actually the same resin that you make bowling ball, right? And phenolic resin is a thermal setting binder, meaning that once it's cured, it will not disintegrate under the natural environment back into its original form. In other words, it is set, so there's no VOC, there's no leaching. Now, how is thermal XTR produced? It is produced based on a dasso proprietary patented process. In this process, what we do is we eliminate all the nutrients just like this. We take out, extract, burn out all the nutrients. As you know, bamboo is a grass, so it has a lot of nutrients that attracts microbes, insects, bacteria in order to activate the rotting process. Now, once we take out all these nutrients, there's no longer any nutrients to attract all this rotting process. So it doesn't rot. This is as opposed to the other process where you inject in chemical like ACQ or CCA. Now, once we have all the nutrients out, we impregnate the whole bamboo fiber with phenolic resin. Once this is in, then we compress bamboo 2:1. So as a result, you get a very high density, durable and strong, stable product that looks elegant. By the way, as of 2017, there's already 60 million square feet of products being sold and used out there worldwide. For the decking line, we have a residential and light commercial line, and then we have a heavy real commercial line. And here's the product. For the light residential and light commercial, we have a 6-foot plank. It comes in tongue and groove and match, so everything works like a Lego set. It's a modular system, and the planks are reversible, so they can use either the reeded side as top or the smooth side as the top. The reeded side kind of give you an anti-slip features. The planks comes in 2 grooves on both long ends for the hidden fastener. Then in addition, we have a skew that have only a single groove. So this will act as a startup planks or for the steps, stair steps. Now, everything is 6-foot length, comes in modular, and you can install it either 12-inch center to center, 16-inch, or 24-inch. On the commercial line, we have a 2x6 planks. Again, everything comes in 6-foot length, tongue and groove and match. No groove on the side because this is going to be installed face screw down, and you can use either face is reversible. You can use the reeded side as the top, or you can use the smooth side as the top. The reeded side kind of give you an anti-slip effect. Because of the 6-foot length, it is easier to install, easier to handle, easy to transport, and there's no wastage. Every piece can be used. The commercial line is really suitable for boardwalks, marinas, and piers. Now, some of the boardwalks that I've seen had golf cart on it. So you can span this product maximum up to 36 inches. The decking system comes with its accessory. For example, what you have here is a G1 plank. As you see, there's only one groove, and this side is a flush. So you use this as a starting board. With the starting board, you can choose to use a countersinking drill bit, the screws, and then the plug. And if you need more plug, there's a kit for accessory, additional plugs. Then for the subsequent boards, you use tiger claws. This is a TC120, and there's a lot of others accessory fastener system out there that is compatible with our planks. Now the second board, you use the tiger claws that goes into the groove, and you use the screw to tighten it. Then comes the second board that goes into the groove. And then the whole process repeats itself.